Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing about decimal expansion. As you know, we can represent the real numbers in this P by Q form. We know already that is the condition is Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are co-prime numbers. Here, when this denominator is in the form of 2 by 2 power n into 5 power m term. If it is, that is, if you say yes, our Q is in this form, that is the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then you can call it a decimal expansion. A decimal, it will lead to a decimal expansion with the termination. So there will be a termination. For example, let me consider 1 by 2. So you can multiply by 5 by 5 so that you are able to get 2 into 5. So now this is in this form. Now you can 2 power m, that is 2 power 1, 5 power 1. So in this format, so you can multiply as 10, then you can quickly write this as 0.5. So this is the terminated decimal expansion. So 1 by 2 can be written as terminated 0.5, that is decimal form. And if it is not in the, that is the Q is not in this 2 power m, 5 power m form. Now when you have the decimal expansion, this will be non-terminating. This will be non-terminating. Okay, and also repeating. Non-terminating means repeating. You can call it non-terminating or recurring or repeating. Let me consider 1 by 3. You know very well this is not in the form of what? That is 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore, it leads to what? A non-terminal expansion, 0.333, etc. So this can be represented as 3 bar also. Okay. So this logic, that is 2 power n into 5 power m in the denominator, that is in the Q, that helps us to identify whether the decimal expansion is terminating one or non-terminating one. Do you understand this? Thank you for watching this video. Always subscribe to Saitechinfo and also click the bell button to get the notification. Thank you.